The theme is actually not pretty difficult to install, so all you have to do is to reach out for Appearance, then click on Themes, and over here scroll to the top, add New, and look for ASTRA. Basically, ASTRA is one of the most used themes after Hello Elementor, so go ahead and click on Install, and of course, activate. So right now the theme is active, or it's not activated yet, so you can click Activate Now, right? And so finally the theme is active. So I'm going to go ahead and remove 2023 from the list because we're not using it at all. So just go ahead and remove it. And so right now we have all the plugins installed and as well as the theme. Next, I'm going to be going and installing the demo website. And basically the demo website is, like I said, the website that we're going to be using. It's a ready website. We're just going to take it and tweak it, okay, to make the job easier.